Hey, how you doing, Mike?
Good.
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you. Can you tell me a little bit about your station here?
Absolutely. This is our new load and lock station here. This is a sidekick, to protect the sidekick model here. It's a dual-use bait station, so you can use bait and/or a T-Rex and/or a wooden snap trap. Fits perfectly also. It's nice and secured with two patio blocks underneath, so you need a key to open it. You take these two prongs here, release, and this is just a prototype, so it's been a little manhandled. We've lost a piece there. Regular patio or brick pavers you can find at Home Depot or Lowe's. Should weigh about 4 to 5 pounds each, so a total of 8 to 10 pounds of weight holding it down. It can be further secured with screws here. Use a duckbill anchor here in the middle. More secure.
You know, Ron, one of the really nice features on this that I notice is a lot of times people will wonder, well, putting this all in my truck's going to take up a lot of space, but actually you could stack all these in the back of a truck for everything that you need to use. And then another nice benefit is it also has all the holes on the bottom, so water's going to drain right through, so you don't have to worry about any other pests coming up through those areas or water buildup.
Exactly, and there was thorough testing before we were bringing this to market. It's also got another area where it can be even further secured by a chain or a U-bolt there. So you've got screws, you've got a duckbill anchor, you've got a chain or a U-bolt that you can put in there, and then it fits nicely back in place. So time is money, and speed of service is a definite feature on this. One of our concerns was an aversion to the height. The rodents wouldn't enter readily, but we've got a video here. As you can see, the rodents go right into the station with no problem whatsoever.
And I'd say that's probably a great selling benefit for the homeowner or commercial business, because, you know, right now, currently, when we would just put them on blocks, I have to tell you, I've had a lot of people say, well, is that rat really going to jump up on top of there to get in? Where this, even though we know that they can jump up 3 feet, this is a nice little guideway where it helps them understand the principle behind, hey, here they go walking in through this slide-in area.
Correct. And the main feature of this, benefit of this is, unlike a brick paver, after servicing 20, 40 stations a day, that's tiresome on your back. So here, got a simple release, lift up, clean out, put back on, and you've still got a technician that's able to work at the end of the day with a good back. So we like it, very professional look, very secure, and a good belt product.
And as all the quality belt products, this also works with the LPs?
It does. It's not a uniform fit. There's a separate base for the LP down here, as you can see. This should retail for around $4 to $5. But the LP and the Sidekick are the two stations that we're going to go with first.
That's a great idea. And you know, one of the other things that I really love about your stations is the new bait that you're coming out with, basically the organic bait. Can you tell me a little bit about that?
Absolutely. That product is going to be called Terra D3. It's a cholecalciferol is the active ingredient in it. It's in development right now. It's pending EPA registration approval. It'll be superior melting qualities, or non-melting issues, I should say. It's stable for up to 200 degrees at 24 hours. Fully labeled for organic use. We hope to have OMRI certification on the product. It'll be a 28-gram block and highly palatable to the rodents.
So with the concern for going green, you come to that to answer that equation also?
Absolutely. This will be our green product.
Wonderful. Well, as always, never expect anything but best products from Bell.